Hello, in this video tutorial I'm gonna demonstrate you how you can visualize the area calculation and how you can print a list with all room areas. Please note that some of the functions in this video tutorial are only available in the product versions Cadvilla Professional and Cadvilla Professional Plus. In the first part of this video tutorial, I'm gonna demonstrate you how we can display the different area calculations in the 2D and 3D view. In the second part, we will print the living space calculation and the volume calculation. In the first step, we will edit the room labeling in room number 5, which we will use for our video tutorial. Therefore, we select room number 5 in the 2D view. We press the right mouse button and we select Properties. The room properties open and we click on Labeling. Here at the point Labeling, we can select different area calculations and we can display their square meters in the room labeling. We select, for example, the floor area text and we enter for the prefix, for example, FA for floor area. Now we select, for example, the net floor area lower than 1.5 meters and we enter also here a prefix. Now we do the same thing with the net floor area higher than 1.5 meters. We enter here also a prefix. Now we select the net floor area summary, we enter a prefix, and finally we select also the living area and we enter also here a prefix. For more information about the room labeling, take a look at our video tutorial Room Labeling. After it, we can press OK and we press Escape. We can see now that at the room labeling the different area calculations with their square meters get displayed. We zoom a little bit into the view. We can see now that the floor area of room number 5 is 5.90 square meters. The floor area shows always the complete floor area of the respective room. The net floor area of the square meters where the height of the room is under 1.5 meters is 1.59 square meters. The net floor area of the area where the room height is more than 1.5 meters is 4.21 square meters. The net floor area summary is composed out of the net floor area under 1.5 meters and the net floor area over 1.5 meters. In our example, the net floor area summary is 5.80 square meters. The difference between the floor area and the net floor area summary is that at the floor area the wall paneling isn't calculated. More about the wall paneling I will show you in a later step. The living area considers the roof pitch and is in our example 4.21 square meters. In the next step, we will take a closer look at the area calculation. Therefore, we select Area Calculation, and at the point Range, we select, in our example, first upper floor. At the point Selection, we can select the different area calculations. We select, for example, the floor area with a left mouse click, and now the exact floor area gets displayed for each room in the current floor. Now we click, for example, at the point Details, and here we can see the exact floor area calculation for each room in the current floor, also for room number 5. We close the Details window again, and now we click on Settings. Here at the settings, we can define the area sectioning, the text, and the volume dissection. We close the window, and now we deselect the floor area, and we select, for example, the living area. As we can see in the 2D view, the living area calculation considers the roof pitch. This is the reason for the 2 different colored areas in room number 5. The white area is not calculated because the room height in this area is insufficient. When we zoom now a little bit into the view, we can see this white border around our different areas. This white border is the wall paneling. When we select, for example, a wall, and we press the right mouse button and we select Properties, we can take a look at the wall paneling in the Wall Properties. Here we can see that the wall paneling is defined with 0.01 meters, which is the white border around our areas. We click on OK, and we press Escape. We deselect the living area, and now we select the net floor area under 1.5 meters room height. Also here the area gets displayed in the 2D view, and the wall paneling is also considered. Now we deselect the net floor area under 1.5 meters and we select the net floor area over 1.5 meters. The area gets displayed again in the 2D view, and also here the wall paneling is considered too. We deselect the net floor area higher than 1.5 meters, and finally we select the net floor area summary. The net floor area summary is composed out of the net floor area under 1.5 meters room height and the net floor area over 1.5 meters room height. Also, the wall paneling is considered. We deselect the net floor area summary. And by the way, of course we can also print the area calculations and attach them, for example, to the living space calculation. In the next step, we will print the living space calculation and the volume calculation. We start with the living space calculation. Therefore, we open the menu. We select Export, Reports, Bill of Quantities, and Room Area Calculation Type 1. The Room Area Calculation Type 1 properties open. In our example, everything is correctly defined and we confirm with OK. Now we can select the path for the room area calculation. In our example, the path is correct and we enter a name. For example, room area calculation type 1. Here we could select different file formats. In our example, PDF is OK, and after it we confirm with OK. The living space calculation type 1 opens automatically, and when we scroll down a little bit, we can see room number 5 with the floor area, the deduction and the base area. Also the sum of all rooms gets displayed. Now we can close the living space calculation, and in the next step we will print the volume calculation. Therefore, we select again the menu, we click on Export, Reports, Bill of Quantities and Room Area Calculation Type 2. The properties open. In our example, they are correctly defined, but if we would like to, we could edit, for example, our company logo in the properties. We confirm with OK. Now we enter again a name, for example, room area calculation type 2. The PDF format is already correct selected and we confirm with OK. The volume calculation opens automatically, and when we scroll down a little bit, we can take a look at the volume calculation of room number 5. Of course, we can also take a look at the volume calculation of all the other rooms in the building. And finally, we close the volume calculation. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit our website cadvilla.com.